Eto na nga, happy 2026 Lechonatics. My goodness, what a year it has been. Ang daming kailangan iwan. Ang daming kailangan i-reflect. Ang daming kailangan isipin moving forward. But before that, we want to thank everybody, of course, for staying with us through the past years.
Wow, oo, kasi 5 years?
We're going on 6.
My God, yeah,
We're
ngayong
going on 6
2026,
years.
ang bilis. Lechonatics, thank you so much. Happy New Year to everyone. And thank you kasi nandiyan pa rin kayo.
Correct.
Kahit di namin alam, minsan di ko na alam bakit eh. Salamat naman sa, at least hindi na lang dalawa yung nakikinig sa atin. Asawa natin pareho.
Correct.
May iba pa. Oo.
Si Mike and si Esa hindi dati nakikinig. But I do get a lot of people who come up to me at events. I'm sure you get the same. People who have been traveling from all over the world. I go out of the country and they listen to Lechon Pag-ibig To. We appreciate all of you. And if it's your first time to listen to this podcast, thank you for giving us the time to talk to you. And also, don't forget to click follow and hit the subscribe button. We're on YouTube. We're also on Spotify. Comment na rin kayo on the topics. Let us know what you think about what we talk about on the show.
At least, ang ganda ng bringing up mo na nag-thank you muna tayo sa mga solid Lechonatics natin. Kasi sa panahon ngayon na sobrang dami yung pagpipilian, hindi lang naman, podcast ang pwede nilang pagkaabalahan. There's Netflix, diba? Meron pa kayo ibang mga Prime Video. Sobrang dami na, papi.
You know,
Pero, ang dami ring podcast.
Correct.
Pero, nandiyan pa rin kayo at nagsistay pa rin kayo.
Alam
Minsan
mo,
talagang di ko na alam bakit, pero thank you. Siguro dahil nandito si Papi, napupugian ba kayo?
Hindi, tsaka ang ganda ng insights mo. Ito, even my wife would always say, ang galing ng insights ni Chacha.
Oy, talaga. Thank you, Elsa girl.
Especially yung nilagay mo ako on trial, no? A lot of people enjoyed that
huwag kayong
episode.
mag-alala. Ang goal ko ulit ngayong 2026 ay yung matulala si Sam YG sa mga topics natin. Yung mapapahawak siya sa wedding ring niya at iikot-ikot na lang niya dahil hindi niya alam kung ano yung sasabihin niya.
Tatlong aircon sa studio, no?
Pero
bumigay. Pinawisan ako kasi tanong ka ng tanong, ano laman ng group chat? Sino mga member ng chat na yan? Bakit dinelete? Ba't kayo nagde-delete ng mga messages? What a topic. If you haven't listened to that episode, that was 2 episodes ago.
Yes. Nakik ka ba sa group dahil doon? Hindi naman.
Like I said, no, ako na umalis ng group. I left the group but inad ulit ako. Which hurts me, no? Ayoko na.
Kumbaga,
Group na yan.
hindi niya talaga gusto na nandun.
Yung mga meme na pinapadala yung puro bastos, tigil-tigilan nyo na yan, ha? 2026 na.
Pero ba't di mo sila i-block? Doon talaga ayaw
Hindi
mo.
kasi ako marunong eh. Anyway, moving forward, no? If you have, like I said, that episode is still there. I think that was a couple of episodes ago. Listen to it. It's all about guy group chats. Great episode to listen to.
The No Girls Allowed episode.
Yes.
But let us just say thank you to everyone who
Yes,
has been with
of
us
course.
since 2020. Pandemic
2020.
days pa yan,
We
papi.
started this during the pandemic.
Pandemic days pa yan
Zoom pa
hanggang
tayo nun.
ngayon.
Hindi pa tayo
I know.
naman ng first
At
face-to-face
never
natin.
kong naisip na magkakaroon ng time na mag-face-to-face recording kami. But during that time na sinabi ni Papi na okay, may idea ako siya. Okay ka ba? Ito yung title. Lechong Pag-ibig To. Super na-excite ako and yung pakiramdam ko, feelings ko simula nung in-offer mo sa akin that we're going to do a podcast, ganun pa rin ako every single time that we're going to record. Super excited ako na, ano pa pag-uusapan namin mamaya? Actually, kahapon kasama ko yung mga friends
Ako
ko
rin,
eh.
kahapon.
Sabi nila,
anong pwede?
Okay, so nag-uusap-usap kami. Sabi ko, Cha, marami ka ng na-topic ha? Marami ka ng pwede i-topic
Nililist
sa
ko sa
podcast
notes
nyo.
ko. Oh my goodness. Para lang makita
So,
nyo.
ganun din kami kahapon.
When I have
Diba?
a good a conversation with friends, with my wife, talagang meron na ako isang buong LPT topics.
Wow, I love it.
Talagang nililista ko dyan. Kasi minsan nakakalimutan mo.
So, sana ganun din sila every time makikinig sila sa atin. Kasi
Yes.
nababasa ko yung ibang comments. Iba-ibang lugar to, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Yung mga first na tao na nagko-comment doon sa mga episodes natin, nagpapaunahan pa sila minsan na first to comment. May
True,
mga ganon.
true.
Because sometimes pag wala akong magawa, binabasa ko lang yung comments ninyo and nakakatuwa na, alam niyo yung minsan iniisip namin, puro lang kami kalokohan dito. Pero may sense pala yung mga
True.
pinagsasabi namin.
True.
Thank you
And
sa inyo.
if we are touching your life in some way or one way or another, we of course appreciate that, and I think we are a blessing to each other.
Yeah.
No, all our listeners, I think, they are all blessings to us, and hopefully we can become blessings to them as well.
Amen.
No, and also that is your sign. If you're wondering, we started this podcast. You mentioned it. Out of nothing, pandemic.
Yeah.
Sabi natin, let's come up with a podcast called Lechong Pag-ibig To. At that time, love lang dapat ang topic.
That
Diba?
we
Love
didn't
problem.
know kung mag-work ba.
Correct.
Oo.
So this is your sign. Quick, side note. This is your sign to start something new or start that thing that you've always been thinking
Thinking
about.
about.
Pero pinaparking mo lang. Sige na, next year na nga. Sige na, tsaka na nga. Alam mo, like this podcast that's been running for almost 6 years, just do it. Try it, do it. This year, spend some time, spend a few minutes to do something that you love, something you're passionate about, something that you always wanted to start pero lagi kang busy, lagi kang walang time. Maybe it's the year that you spend time to just do it. If it works, good for you.
Yeah.
You know, we'll be here to support you. Your friends will be there to support you. If it doesn't work, at least you tried. Pero tama na yung parking mentality.
Yeah. Tama na yung
parang-
saka na, bukas na, wag na muna.
Correct. If you want to do something, this is the best time to actually, do it.
My God.
Stop making excuses for yourself. Stop making palusot na, hindi, may gig kasi may inuman mamaya. Hindi. Sometimes you will have to give that up. But we'll talk about that in another episode
Pero ang
today.
ganda nung sinabi mo Kasi may kaugnayan dun sa mga napag-usapan namin ng friend ko kahapon.
Okay.
Kasi I keep on insisting dun sa isang tropa ko na I think 2026 is the time for you to finally do that thing na matagal mo nang gustong gawin pero di mo ginagawa kasi iniisip mo kung ano sasabihin ng iba.
Like,
So ikaw ba?
Like what?
ikaw. That's why I wanna ask you that. Meron ka bang nung last year o nung mga nakaraang taon gustong-gusto mong gawin pero laging naka-halt kasi parang feeling mo hindi pa time or wag na muna, parang hindi pa ito yun
I get this a lot, and you know this, I think, also more than a lot of people, is saying no to work particularly.
Okay.
A lot of people would ask me, paano mo minamanage schedule mo?
Sa
How do
tindi.
you, sa tindi, ang daming gigs. Of course, I realize that one thing I do is, it's not time management, it's energy management. Managing where you put your energy into. Are you gonna put into this project? Gonna put it into this gathering with friends? Because meron lang tayong limited, let's say, meron kang 100% battery in a day. No? Yang 100%, kailangan mo i-divide yan. Family, friends, dinners, work. So one thing, going back to your question, siguro it's learning to say no and be okay with it. Kasi minsan parang, okay, there's something comes along and kahit sobrang busy mo na, sige lang,
Go lang, pasok
dagdag
lang.
pa, sayang
Kahit na
Sayang
alam mo, hindi mo gusto tsaka hindi mo na kaya.
Oo, more of hindi mo na kaya.
This year, what you wanna do is matuto mag-no na muna. Kasi,
Oo.
wait lang, ang tanong din, ba't di ka nag-no?
Wala lang.
Iba-ibang
kasi-
rason. Minsan, nahihiya ka mag-no.
There's
Minsan, nanghihinayang ka dahil baka naman di na dumating tong opportunity na to. May mga ganun ka.
Yes, baka ito na yung last na opportunity na
Pero
ganito.
nako-compromise naman yung sarili mo mismo kasi alam mo namang hindi na kaya. Hindi mo na kaya at di na kaya ng schedule mo.
Or masyado ka ng pagod.
Ngayong taon ba, gagawin mo na yan? Makaka-no ka na ba sa pera, papi?
I will be more conscious definitely about my time and where I put my energy.
Ito lagi yung tanong naming mga hindi naman sobrang yaman no?
Wow!
Wow.
Wow.
Yung mga
Well,
sakto lang.
says
Wala kaming mali-maletang pera na dinideliver
Says
sa
the
amin.
Diamond Cross, diba? Normally.
Shopee lang yan. Salamat,
Wow,
Shopee.
wow.
Pero ito,
wow.
papi,
Oh.
kasi hindi ito seryoso Minsan iniisip ko, like ikaw, sobrang dami na kasing, let's be honest, I mean, dami mo ng pera, papi. So minsan na hindi lang para sa'yo, para sa lahat ng marami na ang pera, na sobrang workaholic pa rin. Napapatanong ako minsan, ba't kaya ganun?
Alam mo kung bakit?
Parang siguro 2 days ago lang, si Papi, ang dami niya ng pera, pero di pa rin siya tumitigil magtrabaho. Tapos kahapon sa usapan namin ng mga cycling friends ko, sabi ko, siguro kaya sila mayaman kasi ganun yung attitude nila. Ang dami na nilang nakikita sa bank account nila, hindi pa rin sila tumitigil. Pero tayo, pag may nakita tayong ganito, uy, okay na to. Meron na I mean like,
Hindi,
anong
okay.
klaseng mindset yung
Number
alam nyo
one.
na kahit naman ilang taon, sabihin na natin 5 years or 10 years di ka magtrabaho, okay ka na sa dami na nang na-invest mo, sa dami na ng properties mo, pero bakit di ka pa rin tumitigil magtrabaho?
Alam mo, funny thing, I was just talking about that
Bakit?
with our good friends, Kitty and Carlo Bunyag.
Hi, guys!
Yun nga, you work and you work. And number one, yung pagiging maraming pera, subjective yan
Yeah.
For some people, marami na to. For some people, hindi pa to marami.
Oo.
It really depends.
Yeah.
Diba?
Kumbaga yung 1 million, pwedeng okay na sa iba.
Correct.
Definitely for you, hindi.
Well, sa akin, depende. Para saan ba?
1 billion, okay na ba?
Okay na yun.
Oo. When is enough?
Yun nga
Parang
eh.
ganon.
And how much does it really take? I think it's a good reflection for us. Kasi I had to reflect on this literally 5 days ago. For the past 5 days.
Okay.
Ito na iniisip ko eh.
Oo.
How much does it really take to make you happy? Did you ever ask that question to yourself? Ano pa ba kailangan ko? Of course, we all want, I guess, the first thing that would come to mind would be material things. New car, new watch, new laptop, new phone,
Tsaka
new gadgets.
yung lagi sinasabi namin magkukumare, dahil magastos tayo at maluho tayo,
Correct.
bawal tayo magpahinga.
Mismo. 'Di ba? Parang, may nakita nga akong post ni Slick Rick, no? Naka Land Cruiser ka pa lang, hindi pa yan G-Wagon. Magtrabaho ka pa.
Yung pala yun.
Oo,
Akala
hindi-
ko nung
Kala mo,
naka-Land Cruiser na
Land
ako,
Cruiser,
okay na.
papapahinga ka. Hindi pa G-Wagon yun. And that's become
samantalang dati nagko-commute ka, pangarap mo magkakotse.
Correct.
Nung nagkakotse ka, okay na to, Fortuner, pwede na to
Correct.
sa atin. Nung
Oo.
naka-Fortuner ka, gusto mo ng Land Cruiser. Nung nagka-Land Cruiser ka, may higit
Oo,
pa doon?
higit pa. Diba? Hindi ka pa naka G-Wagon, relax ka lang.
Oo.
Trabaho ka pa.
Oo.
We have become slaves to the rat race. Aminin natin. At one point or another, takot tayo na
Mapag-iwanan?
We want to level up our life, our lifestyle, whichever you want to put it, no, whichever way you want to put it. Maybe it's cause of our insecurities also. Maybe. I'm just thinking out loud. Maybe yung mga fina-follow mo sa social media or Instagram, parang nandun pa rin ito yung peg ko.
Lagi ka pa rin may peg,
Oo.
kaya hindi ka tumitigil.
Correct. And when you achieve a certain peg, a certain
Hindi lang
lifestyle.
naman sa pera yon, pwede rin naman body goals.
Correct.
Right? Oo. Na parang, natanong ko rin yan kahapon, lumabas din yan sa usapan namin. Sabi ko, grabe no, yung 2025, nakita rin natin kung gaano nakatindi yung tao sa pag-workout.
Yes.
And sometimes you wonder, why are they doing it? Hindi naman yun yung bread and butter nila. I mean, hindi ko
Hyrox,
kina-question.
sumabog yung Hyrox,
Hindi ko
diba?
kina-question
Oo.
ha. Kasi di ba may meal, meron ng mga nag-meal plan. Meron na yung iba gusto pumayat, nagpaturok.
Ayaw nga, Ozempic.
hindi
Hirap
ko
daw
kayo,
Ozempic, ha?
guys, hindi ko kayo i-judge kung anong gusto nyong gawin sa
Mga
sarili nyo.
nag-Ozempic dito sa office. Kilala namin kayo.
Buhay nila yan.
buhay
Buhay nila yan. Gusto nyo, hindi kayo pumapayat, gusto nyo magturok, then so be it. Pero sometimes, sa utak ko lang, hindi ko tinatanong mismo yung mga kakilala ko gano'n. Merong mga nag-meal plan na dahil gusto pumayat, gusto magka-abs. Merong mga nagturok para pumayat. And then mapapa-question ako, bakit nga kaya talaga ginagawa nila yun? Gusto kaya talaga nila yun? Or dahil yun yung nakikita nila sa iba na parang feeling nila maganda, kaya nila ginagawa. Kasi if you're doing it for yourself, then very good. If you're doing it kasi parang pakiramdam mo, sabihin na natin mga artista, meron silang certain body figure na parang feeling nila dapat ito
Maybe.
yung i-maintain nila,
Because
right?
if nawala yun, baka mawalan silang trabaho.
May
Yun nga,
ganon, may
yun nga,
ganong fear.
May fear.
Kung kasama
Oo.
sa trabaho, medyo okay, nagigets kita. Pero then again, sometimes naiisip ko, bakit nga ba nila ginagawa yun? Is it because gusto nila? Or dahil yun ang gusto ng society for them? Same with not yung hindi pagtigil sa pagtatrabaho, papi. Bakit ginagawa yan kahit alam nila na enough na yung resources nila? Is it because gusto pa nila? Or ano ba? Dahil yung society ay parang sinasabi na hindi pa enough yan. Meron pang mas bongga dyan.
But also, tama nga, that's what society will mention. But then we put ourselves in that circle. Like I said, the people you follow,
The people who's around
the
you.
accounts you follow, the people you surround
Malaking
yourself
factor
with.
yun, agree.
I'm not gonna say it's always negative
Yeah.
because I have a group of friends na all of them are a lot wealthier than me. Richer. Wealthier pala ngayon.
Pakilala mo naman ako dyan para mautang.
Naintindihan ko na ang word na wealthy, it's not just about material things. Being wealthy now.
Explain to us.
Oo.
Paano?
It's wealthy includes your health,
Very good.
being able to sleep well at night, having time to spend with your family, your friends when you want to, being able to take a vacation when you want to. That is wealth.
Oo.
Sige, let's talk about materialistic wealth or pagkayaman, whichever.
Pero
Going back
what is
to my
the
group-
answer to that? Bakit hindi tumitigil? Kahit alam na enough na to eh.
It's definitely human nature na you always want more.
Yeah.
But ang ganda na sinabi mo eh.
Kasi
I
di ba
think
maiintindihan
it's
natin.
the year that you have to also recognize and ask yourself,
Why are
which
you
is
doing
very
it?
personal, not just why you're doing it. Because if you ask me, why I do what I do and why I still do it, why I work so hard.
What's the answer to that? Yung sa'yo lang gusto ko marinig.
I love what I do.
Okay.
I definitely love what I do.
Good.
Doesn't mean that I don't get burnt
Kumbaga,
out.
added factor na lang yung bongga ang kita.
Correct.
Oo.
I'm sure we had this episode where you were breaking down. You had a lot of anxiety. But does that mean you don't love what you do?
I love what
I'm
I
sure
do.
you love what you do.
Yeah.
You wake up every day, you love what you do, but that doesn't mean you don't get tired. You don't get burnt out. You can love what you do and still get burnt out.
Amen.
That happens, no? Now, if you ask me, I love making people happy. That makes me feel fulfilled. Kahit sobrang pagod ko sa isang araw, ang dami ko ginawa, pag may napasaya, napatawa ako at a gig, at a hosting, sobrang saya ko. Parang nabubuhayan ako. The income is secondary. No? But let's go to the deeper question. No? How much or what do you need to really say na okay na ako, happy na ako, kahit na meron pang mas mataas dyan, okay na ako dito. I think yung contentment tsaka discipline to do that is very important, or else dun tayo naiipit sa rat race.
Oo, hindi tayo titigil.
Oo.
Kahit na enough naman ay nasa plato natin.
Correct. Kasi you're always gonna look for the next thing eh.
But again, I'll go back dun sa sinabi mo na malaking factor kung bakit sometimes you're not content with
Why?
what you have is because of the people who are around you. Pwede kasing most of the people na kasama mo, pare-pareho kayong mahilig kayong rumat race. Pare-pareho kayong hirap kayong makontento. Pwede rin namang madali ka makontento kasi yung mga tao na lagi mo nakakasama is kapareho mo. Kung ano lang yung nasa
Go-getters?
plato nila. No, not go-getters, pero pag meron ng pagkain sa plato nila,
Content na sila.
content na sila. Madali sila makontento. And that's what I realize ngayong nagkakaedad ako. Kasi, well, sabi ko nga kanina, wala namang masama. Alam mo, walang masama magtrabaho ng gusto para kumita. Walang masamang yumaman, lalo pa ko sa magandang paraan. Pero kanina, nung nagising ako, sabi ko, okay, sadlak tayo sa corruption dito sa Pilipinas. And the reason why ang tindi ng corruption dito is because yung mga politicians natin, hindi sila nakukontento sa maliit na nakaw. Right?
That's why
Malaki yung ninanakaw nila, kaya wala nang natitira para sa atin.
And that's why I asked the question. We talked about this off air so many times during the flood control scandal issues. How much is enough?
Exactly.
You have 30 billion, 10 billion
in your bank
and
account.
not
Or
million.
ito na lang. Ilang helicopter or ilang sasakyan, ilang
aeroplano kailangan mo?
Ilang vacation houses, ilang magagandang bahay ba ang kailangan nila para tumigil sila sa pagnanakaw. And tama si Papi, subjective yon. Kasi para sa akin, kung ang isang bahay ay okay lang, sa ibang tao hindi okay yon.
Correct.
Para sa ibang tao,
May rest house ka dapat.
kahit wala silang sariling bahay, basta nakakakain sila ng 3 beses sa isang araw at nakakapag-provide sila ng pangangailangan ng mga anak nila, enough na sa kanila yon. Right? So, kung ang tao nahihirapan makontento, I feel like it's because of the people around them. Kung sino man yung lagi nilang mga nakakasama. Nakikita nila na yung mga tao rin sa paligid nila, hirap makontento, and they see all those nice stuff and all those nice things. So minsan kahit hindi naman sila ganon, hindi sila yon.
Nahawa ka.
Nahawa ka eh. And totoo yun most of the people na kasama mo sometimes, kung ano yung energy nila.
Yes,
Kung magnanakaw ang
for
mga
sure.
kasama mo, magiging
chances
magnanakaw
are,
ka rin.
It's about time.
Diba? Kung ang mga
Kasi it becomes-
kung ang mga tropa mo ay mahilig sa mga DOM, wala mo mga DOM ka rin, di ba?
Ano yan eh? It's the energy that goes around, correct? Number
Kung
2,
ang mga kasama mo masisipag ka rin. Kung pare-pareho kayong tamad, o kung tamad sila, chances are, mahawa ka ng katamaran.
correct.
Oh.
It's just a matter of time. Kahit na
Yeah.
let's say, masipag ka, na barkada ka sa mga tamad, eventually, the energy is gonna get to you.
Parang pag nagbarkada ka ng adik,
Correct.
kailangan naman di ka titikim. Di ba?
Diba? Oo.
Oh.
So, I think also, but there's a factor din na how do you treat it? How do you view the people you're surrounded with?
There's nothing wrong with being go-getters, with not stopping to work dahil gusto mo ng more. As long as masaya ka pa dun sa kung ano man yung ginagawa mo.
Yes.
So wala kang pahinga, marami kang pera pero wala kang pahinga.
Yeah, I always say this.
Nagigets
You
mo?
can't have...
Pero kasi baka meron din mga tao na masaya sila na eto lang yung pera ko or wala akong masyadong pera. Pero may peace of mind ako at masaya ako.
Correct.
Depends
Some people,
on the...
let's say, some people...
Depende sa tao yeah.
I don't need a house. I don't need a big house. I don't need a nice car. But I want to travel.
May
I wanna
ganon.
travel,
Ang dami
I wanna
ng Gen
see
Z
the
na
world.
ganyan.
Yes.
Ang daming Gen Z na ganyan.
Gusto ko every month meron ako major travel. I wanna see a new country, a new place. Ang goal ko, mapuno yung passport ko na kailangan ko kumuha ng bagong passport.
Ganda ng sinabi mo. Merong
Is it
mga...
for everyone? No.
Yeah. Meron namang, ang amats nila is, ayoko ng luxury things, ayoko ng mamahaling bag, mamahaling shoes, mamahaling relo. Gusto ko naka-business class ako pag tatravel
Exactly.
ako.
Meron naman, conversely,
Right?
sige, titipid ako sa airfare ko, pero bongga hotel. Gusto ko, hotel ko.
Yes. Or sa shopping ako ng
Correct.
malala doon. Depende. To each his own.
To each his own. What really makes you happy? Now, your circle of friends would affect you. And this is very important, no? In a way na either they're gonna inspire you to do better or they're gonna pull you down.
Amen. Ganda.
Okay? So,
Yeah.
like I said, I have a group of very affluent people.
Yeah.
A very, very good group. Very, very, solid group.
Yeah.
They're all of them are a lot richer than me.
Okay.
Hands down. Tag-isa-isa kanila.
Kakailit. Oo.
Now, whenever I'm with them, dalawa lang. It's either
Okay.
mainggit ka, parang shit, gusto ko rin ng ganyan, or ma-inspire ka.
Yeah.
Diba? So I choose, of course, to be inspired by these guys. They're still humble.
Yeah.
Ayun lang wala nga silang post
Yeah.
No? Very, very low key. You won't even know. They don't dress up, lavishly. And I realized, then I get inspiration from that. But baka lang i-post lahat? Hindi makailangan i-post lahat, diba? Pwede naman mag-relax lang. But could be taken the other way. You could also be that person na parang, teka lang, kailangan malamangan ko to.
Uy, may
Hindi
mga ganon.
Exactly. It's how you take it.
Oo,
Kailangan
hindi pwedeng mas mayaman sa akin. Uy, usong-uso yan sa ibang mga lugar, di ba? Ay, ang ganda ng TV ng kapitbahay namin, hindi pwedeng mas maganda yung TV niya. Uy, maganda yung kotse nun. Hindi pwedeng mas maganda ang kotse niya sa kotse ko.
But also, you realize, it's a
It sucks you out.
Yes, internal poison. You're
It
poisoning
sucks you
yourself.
out.
So it's a good time to reflect na who are your groups of friends?
Ganda, yeah.
Are they still what do they bring into your life? Per group of friends, let's say you have your college barkada, you have your work barkada, what do they bring into your life? How are you treating this? Is there something toxic about that group? If there is something toxic about that group, malamang baka ikaw yung kailangan umalis.
O kaya ikaw pala yung toxic.
Pwede rin. Kung ikaw yung toxic.
Toxic pala yung mindset mo, yung gitero ka lang talaga.
Yun nga. Kung gano'n naman, kung naiinggit ka lang sa mga nangyayari and it's causing
At may mga ganun tao,
yes.
Oo.
And it happens na nangyayari sa'yo dahil sa naiinggit ka, ngayon kailangan mo humabol, sobrang pagod mo na, umexit ka na. Kasi it's not doing you good.
Yeah. I think it's normal for people na maramdaman yung inggit.
Of
Ang
course.
tanong lang dyan, anong gagawin mo kapag na-feel mo yung inggit? Magiging mas better ka ba? Or
Gusto ko ba niyan?
Hindi, I mean, gagawin mo ba yun? Magsisipag ka lalo dahil gusto mo yun? Or,
Illegal.
yun nga depende yun sa'yo kung, pero nasa illegal talaga ang
Doon tayo
pagyaman.
sa illegal, no?
Nasa illegal talaga ang pagyaman, alam na natin yan. Parang lahat ng mga kakilala natin ngayon, nagugulat tayo, uy, kaya pala mayaman yun. Sangkot pala siya. Char.
Ano na ginagawa? Ano ginagawa niyan? Ano bakit niyan?
Ano ba, ganyan din yung usapan namin
Diba?
ng mga tropa ko. Sabi ko,
Ba't ang
paano ba
yaman ni
tayo
ganito?
yayaman
Ba't
sa...
ang yaman ni ganito? Anong ginagawa niyan?
Tas, natin yun. Ngayon, nakita na natin kung
Kaya
bakit.
pala.
Oo,
Kaya
sabi
pala.
ko, yung mga tanong sa utak natin, nasagot lahat ngayon. But anyway, going back to this, sinasabi ni Papi na yung circle of friends or the people around you is very important. Kasi yung family naman natin, di natin mapipili. But the people around us, and sometimes, mas madalas pa natin kasama yung friends natin more than our parents
Yep,
or our
definitely.
family. Diba? Tama yung i-assess mo talaga, ano bang natutulong nitong mga taon to sa akin? Because of them ba, nagiging inggitero or inggitera ako? Because of them ba, nape-pressure akong gawin
Yep.
yung mga bagay na hindi ko gustong gawin? Let's say, for example, you have a lot of friends na gusto nila lahat mag-marathon. Pero ikaw, deep inside you, ayaw mo naman talaga. Ako talagang is a firm believer na hindi ko gagawin ng isang bagay na hindi ko gusto. So, kung meron kayong mga nakikita na ginagawa ko, yun ay dahil gusto ko talaga yun.
Okay.
Napag-usapan natin yung marathon. Because I'm sure sometimes napipeer pressure ka because all of your friends are going to join. And then, meron ako sinalihan.
Or
na-
whatever. High rocks nga.
lahat, high rocks, running, swimming, triathlon.
Whichever sport.
or-
Paddle, pickle shift.
Pickleball, pickleball.
Pickle shift.
Ano pickle-
Mali.
pickleball?
Pickle bump. Ayun.
Oo. Tatry ko yan, or gagawin ko yan kasi gusto ko. But I won't do anything dahil lang na pressure ako. Kasi like, in my mind, ganun naman talaga, di ba dapat? Pag ginagawa mong isang bagay, whether magpapakapagod ka sa trabaho, magpapakapagod ka sa isang sport or whatever it is,
Whatever takes your energy, balik tayo doon.
dapat
Saan mo
gusto
i-dedicate
mo.
yung energy mo?
Yun lang lagi lahat kayo na nakikinig sa atin ngayon, bakit ka tumatakbo? Gusto mo ba talaga yan? Or dahil ginagawa ng lahat yan?
Ba't ka nagpapagod sa trabaho?
Ba't ka nagpapagod sa trabaho? Dahil lahat ng friends mo mayaman na? Dapat ikaw din mayaman na? Bawal ka nila maungusan? O dahil gusto mo yung trabaho mo, added factor na lang yung maganda yung sweldo?
Or
O
you wanna be-
nagpapagod ka sa trabaho dahil hindi mo gusto yung trabaho mo but you have to feed your family? Alin doon?
Yeah, or you
Alin
just
doon?
you want to be probably the best at what you do. That's also another factor. But
Yes,
it's the why.
yes.
The question is, you always go back to the why. Why are you doing what you're doing? Why are you hanging out with these people? I think it's a good time to reflect about the why. Diba?
Why are
do
you
you feel
doing
this
it?
way? Bakit ka sobrang pagod?
Yeah.
Diba? Doon ka na mag-analyze mo sarili mo. Bakit ba ako sobrang pagod? Bakit ba parang kahit yung weekends hindi na feeling weekend? Diba? Baka naman yung weekend, dapat pahinga na, pero sobrang wala ka ng tulog. Pero sige, tatakbo ka pa ng 300
Kahit
kilometers.
hindi mo na gusto,
diba?
no?
Na kahit sobrang pagod mo na.
Ay, nako, papi. Oo. Kahit na dapat, alam mo namang gusto mo magpahinga.
Correct.
Pero everyone
Is
in your
running,
IG feed is running, is
you
sweating.
and you feel like you're an underachiever if you don't join them. But it's like we've been saying, no, all of these things are very personal. No, it's a great time to reflect on things na things that still serve you.
Yeah.
Things that you should prioritize, which we will get to in the next podcast episode. No, priorities for 2026. But take this episode to reflect. No? Ano yung mga what things are still serving you? What groups? Which friends are still serving you? Are they draining your energy or are they pushing you to be better? What matters to you? Ano pa ba mga dapat nandyan pa? Kung hindi na siya nagmamatter, baka kailangan alisin na.
Yeah.
'Di ba? Na nagiging extra baggage na siya. Pero bit-bit mo pa rin.
Oo.
Sabi nga nila, I read this article before that said, yung mga tambak mo sa kwarto.
Oo.
No? Did you know that storing something is actually costing you money?
Bakit?
Let's say, meron kang bagay na a t-shirt dyan. No? Lagyan na sa t-shirt. Simpleng bagay. T-shirt, 2 years mo na hindi ginagamit. Siguro mahal siyang t-shirt. Branded. Kaya ayaw mo itapon. Diba? But that's actually costing you space in your house. But alam mo na hindi mo na siya gagamitin. It's a great time to also purge, let go of things na siguro wala na siyang purpose in your life.
Wala nang silbi sa buhay mo.
Watch your energy. Bantayan natin yung energy natin this 2026. I know for a lot of people, 2025 was heavy. I think it was caused by the political situation we were in.
Yeah.
Ang bigat ng feeling.
Oo,
diba?
sobra.
Yung holiday season, parang pinipilit natin maging holiday, pero alam natin, shit, nanakawan tayo. Ang dami
Shit,
nawawalang
wala pa
pera.
rin nakukulong.
Wala pa rin solusyon.
Oo.
No? Puro
Si Sara Diskaya pa lang din na nakakulong. Yung
diba?
mga
Si
ganon.
Bitoy, Sara Vizcaya pa rin
Uy,
nakikilo.
oo.
Diba? So, I think we have to take care of ourselves.
Oo.
Nobody's gonna look out for us but ourselves. So make sure you are okay. Make sure you are starting the year fresh. No, leave whatever is pulling you down. And ikaw lang may alam yan. We can't answer that for you. What is pulling you down?
Yeah.
You would know what is pulling you down. Take a look at that list. No, take a look at the friends list, the hobbies list, the work list, and on the brighter side of things, maybe it's time to start something new. Focus your energy, that 100% energy. Kung may 10 points ka na energy, maybe 2 points yan, lagay mo na dito sa dati mong pag gusto gawin or dati mo pag gusto itry.
Dati pag gusto simulan, na hindi magawa-gawa.
Dahil masyado mong inuubos dito, diba? Yung inuubos mo yung 5 dito sa isang bagay, lagyan mo ng mga 2% dyan.
Oo. Sa akin, sa lahat ng listeners natin, isa lang talaga gusto kong sabihin sa inyo. And I think it helped me with my anxiety na pinagdaanan last year. I'm very open about it. And I always tell this now to people na sarili mo naman ngayong 2026.
Yes. Amen.
Like,
Amen.
don't do things na hindi mo talaga gusto. Huwag magpa-pressure sa mga tao sa paligid mo. And in the end, itong lahat ng pinaghihirapan natin pera, itong material things, kapag nawala tayo dito sa mundo, hindi natin mababaon lahat yan. So, parang we should focus our energy on things that really matter. Ano yon? Relationship natin with other people, our friends, our family.
Amen.
Kasi Baka napapagod tayo na napapagod ngayon, tapos magkakasakit tayo bukas. Uubusin lang din natin lahat ng pinagpagura natin sa pampa-ospital natin. So, bakit ka nga ba nagpapakapagod kung alam mong enough na yun nasa plato mo? Yung makakasagot niyan, walang iba, kundi ikaw lang din. So, whatever it is that you have done in 2025 na nakadrain ng energy mo, hindi ko sinasabing i-let go mo yan ngayong 2026. Pero hingang malalim at pag-isipan mo maigi. Gusto mo bang madrain ulit ngayong 2026 with the same shit na dahilan kung bakit ka nabaon nung 2025?
Kung pagod ka, tanong mo sarili mo, bakit ako pagod? Bakit ako pagod?
Exactly.
Why also? Why this? Why that? Ask yourself why.
Yeah.
Ganda nun. And
Amen.
at the end of the day, if you want to feel rich, simply count the things that you have that money can't buy.
Amen. Ganda.
On the brighter side of things.
Oh.